A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. The Bank of Jamaica has indicated that the introduction of credit bureaus has forced Jamaicans to clean up bad debts. The governor of the central bank, Brian Winter, made the observation in an interview with the Business Day today. Dashan Hendricks tells us more.
The regulations governing credit bureaus were made effective in 2011. The first credit bureau was licensed shortly after, and since then, it has forced a change in borrowing habits of Jamaicans. At least that's what the Bank of Jamaica Governor Brian Winter says he's hearing from banks.
They're seeing a situation where clients are cleaning up their bad debt with them. They're saying because the clients want to look better in the credit scores, in the credit bureaus because of some transaction they're doing perhaps with another bank.
He said that should impact lending rates. Already those rates are falling and now average 15%. It's still high because that average includes high rates from previous years. Currently, rates on things like mortgages and car loans are in single digits, and big businesses are getting loans at 9%.
The challenge, I think, is to make sure that the middle and the smaller also receive competitive interest rates.
But he says apart from credit bureaus, a whole host of other matters affect interest rates, things like taxes on the financial sector and inefficiencies. But he says that those apart, the conditions must be created for good credit to stand out.
What helps that is the credit bureaus, so that a bank that doesn't know your business is able to decide whether to market to you because they don't find that they invest in selling and marketing to you. That's a lot of money. And then find that when they get your details, you're not creditworthy. Or maybe they're pulling somebody from a bank that was happy to get rid of that customer because they're bad credit.
The latest data show at the end of December, only 2.8% of loans were classified as bad debt. That's down from over 6% at the end of December 2010. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $130.31, down 17 cents in trading. The Canadian dollar costs $95.69. The pound sterling is selling for $168.69, while the euro costs $144.91, down a whopping $4.59 in trading today. And the price of oil climbed to its highest settlement in about a month as expectations grow for an extension to the OPEC-led production cut agreement into the first quarter of next year. Oil for delivery in June tacked on 40 cents to settle at $50.73 a barrel. Stock trading ended with the main JSE market index down more than 75 points, while the junior market index gained 29. Stocks posting gains today, well, they included Burrito Investments, Dolphin Cove, Grace Kennedy, Jetcon, Lasco Distributors, Panjam, the Sagicor Group, and T-Tech. On the losing end were 1834 Investments, Cable and Wireless, Carreras, Jamaican Teas, Lasco Manufacturing, Radio Jamaica, and Supreme Ventures. And that's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.